Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to edit. First, navigate to the Canva website or open the application. You will find a vast library of templates for social media, presentations, and more. Select a template or start with a blank canvas. Upload your own media files, such as photos or videos, directly into your project. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes placing and resizing elements incredibly simple, allowing you to begin your creative journey with ease. Canva provides powerful tools to customize your designs. You can easily change text fonts, sizes, and colors to match your brand or aesthetic. Explore a wide range of filters and effects to enhance your images, giving them a professional look. Precisely crop, resize, and rotate any element on your canvas. Furthermore, access a library of thousands of shapes, lines, and icons to enrich your visual content. Take your designs to the next level with advanced techniques. Manage multiple elements effectively using the layering feature, ensuring precise control over your composition. Add engaging animations to text and graphics to create dynamic presentations or social media posts. Canva also supports real-time collaboration, allowing up to 5 team members to work on a single project simultaneously. Establish a consistent brand identity with custom brand kits. Once your masterpiece is complete, Canva offers multiple ways to share it. Download your design in popular formats like PNG, JPG, or PDF, depending on your needs. You can also share your creations directly to various social media platforms with just a few clicks. For physical copies, utilize Canva print services for high-quality results. All your designs are automatically saved to the cloud, providing easy access anytime, anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.